So when we're using the harmonic minor, we get an augmented triad on the 3 chord, which is interesting. The 4 chord is minor, unaffected. The 5 chord is now major. It's normally minor in a minor key, but now it's major. The 6 chord, unaffected, still major. The 7th chord is now a diminished chord. So what we have here is 2 diminished chords, one here on the 2 chord and on the 7th chord, and an augmented chord on the 3 chord. So our harmonies get a lot more colorful from doing this. Now, in all practicality, and remember, I guess I didn't say, but here we have our A again, so that's a minor chord, same as this one. Now, in all practicality, when we do this, sometimes we leave this G as natural, although it does serve a good purpose, because what this does is push us up to here, up to the 4 chord, which can be valuable sometimes, because the 4 chord is also one of our tendency chords, but it's not nearly as strong as our 5 chord. So sometimes that G sharp does help, but sometimes we just leave that one natural. That can be okay. And now if we did that, we're back to a major chord here. But let's leave it. And let's hear this whole thing using the harmonic minor scale. Right, it's a little more, what's the right word? It's a little more Phantom of the Opera to me, I guess. I wish I could think of a better, more musical thing to say about it than that. But it just has a little more like, I don't know, Renaissance kind of sound to it to me. But that is using the harmonic minor scale. That's what we get when we put those all together into the diatonic chord progression. Now let's shift gears and talk about the melodic minor scale. It is a little bit weirder. So let's jump to a new video and talk about melodic minor.